At the centre of Australia's first commercial rocket launch, far-flung in the remote Queensland Outback, are 4 precision-cut fins guiding an explosive flight. Central to one of Hobart's special memorials is the Bridge of Remembrance. Standing tall with strong laser-cut materials. And even central to Melbourne's power street loop is the Urban Habitat Filter. Crafted with detailed laser-cut compartments and housed to grow an emerging ecosystem. No matter the job, no matter the location, we'll be there, because central to everything manufacturing in Australia